Welcome back to the Finger Lakes region of New York State, home to dozens of local wineries, waterfalls, and naturally formed gorges. Today, we will return to this picturesque landscape to visit several cascading waterfalls and parks. 2 million years ago, the first of a series of glacial flows began seasonally advancing and retreating across what is now New York State. These massive bodies of ice flowed south, carving deep trenches in the earth, grinding across valleys and gouging the land. They left long, narrow, high-walled lakes and deep gorges in their wake. My father and I will primarily focus on the city of Ithaca for this journey and explore numerous sites including Hector Falls, Taughannock Falls, Ithaca Falls, Cascadilla Gorge Trail, Buttermilk Falls, Triphammer Falls, Ludlowville Falls, and finally Letchworth State Park, known as the Grand Canyon of the East. The geological term Finger Lake refers to a long, narrow lake in an over-deepened glacial valley. Cayuga and Seneca Lakes are among the deepest in the whole of the United States, measuring 435 feet and 618 feet respectively at their deepest points. Hector Falls is a roadside waterfall. From Watkins Glen, go northeast on 414 to the 414 and 79 intersection. Travel north on 414 for 2 miles. A bridge crosses right in front of the waterfall. You are able to park near the waterfall signage. You can also walk on the bridge to see the falls, but be careful. There is lots of traffic on the road, and it comes barreling down a hill and around a curve before reaching the bridge. There are 2 main drops to Hector Falls. The first drop is visible from the bridge and is about 50 feet high. You can climb down to the base of the falls on the east side of the bridge. The Finger Lakes region is a central part of the Iroquois homeland. The Iroquois tribes include the Seneca and Cayuga nations, for which the 2 largest Finger Lakes are named. The Tuscarora tribe lived in the Finger Lakes region as well. Welcome back everyone to another travel adventure. Today we have returned to the Finger Lakes region in New York State, and we're going to be visiting a variety of different waterfalls. So the first waterfall is Hector Falls here. It's located right at Seneca Lake. What a beautiful waterfall. Thank you for watching today's travel adventure to New York State, and stay tuned for more waterfall adventures coming soon.